There's no way that he literally just screwed the game over like that.
The veteran.
Let's see.
This to win the game.
If he screwed the game over like that, this is about to be the most dramatic ending ever, son. What's good, y'all? All glory to the one true God, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode of the Giants rebuild. Now I know y'all looking at the screen like, bro, Emmett, why we in week 8, bro? Let me go ahead and tell you why. Because during the Seahawks, with the Seahawks player, he couldn't get playing time, so we got the forced win. Then I didn't get here in time for the Bengals, so we got a forced loss with that. But then the last week, I got kind of lazy on the recording. I'm sorry. I got real lazy on the recording, so I didn't record this game. But we back at it, and we about to play this game right now. But before we jump into the game, let's go ahead and talk about the D lineman breakout. Now I'm not sure exactly who this D lineman may be. But we're going to see exactly what that is, because a breakout is one of the best things, if not the best things, you can see in a franchise. I was watching film, and Elijah Chapman has been standing out. I think if we put him in a position to make plays in the backfield, he'll make them. That sound good to you? Okay, we can just do that. Okay. Because I don't even know who Chapman is. How did he? I don't even know. The really only thing that we need to watch out for on the Steelers is TJ Watt. So that's all you need to know on that. So let's jump straight into the game. All right, here we go.
He'll start at the 2. He'll get across the... So they come to the line for first down and 10.
Can't even like that. Okay.
They'll run here with the rookie.
All right.
And he'll take it 2nd and 6.
I don't even think I like this but we can see.
Here's Jones.
Oh, I did not know that linebacker was gonna play that well. I'm not even gonna hold you.
Picked off by Peyton Wilson.
I didn't even know that linebacker was gonna play that well. All right, let's start again, because that was probably one of the worst reads I've ever made in my life. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I really didn't know that the linebacker was gonna play that well. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
2nd down and 8. Back to throw is Jones.
Ooh, nice catch.
Field, it's Johnson, the tight end. They get 25 on that connection. That's good for a Giants first down.
What even type of bullets he got on TJ Watt? Oh, okay. The typical.
Here's a run with Singletary.
I run him.
Angling to the side.
If I ain't find Singletary in there, I would have scored.
Working from the gun, it's Jones.
I should just do it the wide.
Really nice job here by the defense, immediately getting back on track. And what do the coaches say? Just play the next play, and that's exactly what they did.
Oh, come
They'll try to
on.
push 3rd and long.
Got to go to the ye old reliable verticals.
Shotgun now for Jones. Taking the deep shot here
of
with
course.
Robinson.
Why would Dan Jones be able to make that throw?
Huddle coming up now for 1st and 10. Right to the air, it's Fields. A hit as he throws up 2nd down. From the shotgun, it's Fields.
Give me that.
No. That is caught downfield by Pickens. And he's going to take this one all the way. 71 yards. So here's a 1st and 10 now. They'll start from the 24. The drive starts with a carry by
You just saw they just burst through.
Another example of just how hard it is to bring this back down. Like, I mean, he had to break multiple tackles just to get back to the original line of scrimmage. But give credit to the defense. They kept bringing bodies at him, and they're eventually able to get him down for no gain.
Snap.
Jones to throw on second down. Taking the deep
no.
shot here with Robinson.
It was really open, but it was just.
Really far downfield as he was being hit. Really says a lot about the arm strength that this quarterback has.
Throwing is Jones on third down.
There we go. Run him over.
He's got his man complete to Johnson. Set to go now on 1st and 10. From the gun, it's Jones.
Yes, he got
This will
hammered.
be it.
Here, Mike, where there was nowhere to go with the ball. He tries to fit that one in there anyway, and he's lucky that it just falls incomplete.
That is
There we go.
caught.
Fight.
It's
All
Robinson.
right.
And he'll be 2.
Bro, it literally take forever for them to snap.
The playoff on 3rd and short.
Golly, bro. Well, with the playoffs trying to set up, it might work. It might actually work for good.
And 7. Again, they'll throw with Jones.
Bro, is he playing match? Is that match? That has to be match.
And the Steelers. This drive
Bro, you
starts
can't
at
tell me
the 21.
otherwise. That has to be match. That has to be.
Working out of the gun, it's Fields.
There we go.
The pressure gets there and
Add to it by taking such a massive loss on top of it. Understand when the pocket breaks down, move up, cut your losses. Now, not only do you lose that down, but now you face a big uphill battle if you want to extend this drive.
Come here.
and they'll get him down, but not
And he didn't
before he
fumble.
His speed, his ability to create. We saw him get him here early on the big scramble. He's able to pick up the first down and keep the drive alive.
He'll find his big target. Had fire.
In green grass. Get past the first down marker, be friendly to the quarterback, and then the ball has to be out on time before those zone defenders can react to the receiver.
Thank you. Come on, what is this dude doing, bro?
And intercepted. And the Giants are in. Here's 1st and 10. He'll give it to Singletary to begin this drive. And he'll hook him up on a 2nd down and 8. Now Jones. Off he goes.
I'm about to say, if I fumble, but he don't fumble.
Initially, Mike,
All
a
right.
really pretty good game.
Now a 3rd and 2. Throwing now is Jones. Taking off, he'll try to get there. It's 1st and 10. Jones.
There we go.
He's
Come on.
got it at the 8 yards on the gain, and it sets up 1st and goal. To throw is Jones. He's got it at the 3.
There we go. Come on.
To the goal line, and it.
This dude love his gun. This dude love his bunch, bro.
On 1st and 10, Fields.
Oh, okay.
He tosses over the middle. This one is caught. And he'll be taken down up at the 40-yard line. 1st and 10.
That's good for the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Here's Fields.
There we go. There we go, Lawrence. Come on.
Throwing the ball away. He tries to escape.
Now Lawrence activated and let us see it.
He ends up losing a lot more yards than he should have.
Fields now on 2nd down.
Oh, no. All right, this tackle. That's cool.
That separates the best from everybody else, and I think both of those things were on display there, as he did not only a great job of finding the vulnerabilities of the back end, but then once his guy was there, it was that arm talent that put the ball in the exact right spot to allow his guy to make the quarterback just dumps the ball down, a quick underneath completion, and then really it's the yards after catch that did the rest. And that's what it takes. You're not always going to have the perfect play. You're not always going to dial up.
And it sets up 1st and goal.
I mean, I literally can't play any better defense.
They'll go with the
Literally had the man in the backfield and everything.
Drive his way into the end zone.
It's going to be one of them games. We got to show some crazy fight. Put ourselves in the hole early.
Jones now on 1st down. He'll look deep here for Neighbors. And he can't.
For y'all that have really known about that route that I just threw in that recent play, y'all know that used to be like a little glitchy route. But like, it don't look very glitchy now. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Even though that one falls incomplete, you have to continue to sprinkle that threat in, because it makes everything else in your passing game that much easier.
Okay, like this. Bro. Like, it literally wouldn't let me do it like snap, bro.
Throwing on 1st down is Jones. And for the 3rd time in this 1st half, he's been intercepted. Picked off.
Oh, no. I don't know about this one, y'all.
Takes a chance, bets on himself, and comes away with a pick to save them some points.
A 1st down throw for Fields. That one a bit
He's just throwing whatever he wants to throw, and he's getting it.
Before halftime is critical. See if you can get a drive starter. See if you can get an easy completion to kickstart a 2-minute mode, and that's what they got here. Now they got to see if they can go down and steal some points.
Fields now to throw on 1st down.
There we go. Come on.
Gets where to go with the ball downfield. Just get the ball out of your hand. Live to play another down. Instead, he retreats backwards and leads to a massive loss.
That's to the rookie out of Michigan.
Quickly, you need your guys to get open and stay open, all before that defense has a chance to get home with their rush. They want to tie the coverage in with the rush.
Thank you. Come on, man.
It's intercepted. Picked off by Isaiah Simmons.
Come on, bro. I mean, I already knew the offense was going to be bad, bro. I just knew the defense was going to have to carries.
I mean, look at this return. He gets one block. He gets another. He's got teammates springing him.
2nd and 9. Back to throw is Jones. Backed up after the sack, and now it's 3rd and long. Working from the gun, it's Jones.
For on every single play. Here we see it on 3rd down. Starts out as a pass. Nowhere to go with the ball. He tucks it, turns into a runner. Picks up the 1st down.
Jones now on 1st down.
There we go.
He's in. A fresh set of downs to work with. It is first down and 10. Fields now. Oh,
That's
high
cool.
throw
That's
there,
cool.
but
You wanna take
nice
that, that's
job
fine.
to go up and get it. After the catch, he gets that forward for a gain of 9. Second and a yard. From the shotgun, it's Fields. And that is incomplete. 3 points, all that separates these two sides, as half number 2 kicks off. The return starts from the 5.
Oh, no.
Now an opening past the 30.
All right. This is
And
all
he
right.
finally
And get a huge boost with a terrific kickoff return.
play action now for Fields.
Oh my goodness, pick that off, bro. I gotta pick that off.
Being able to spread the ball to multiple playmakers, Mike, but really complete a high percentage of his passes. So can't let that last incomplete break what's been a really nice rhythm so far.
Second down, it's Fields. Again, working deep downfield.
He has to do a better job of finding the matchups, finding the space on the field so everything is not a forced ball into these tight windows.
Ooh,
And
thank
this
you.
ball begins at the 20. Here's first and 10. To throw, it's Jones. He'll be forced to just
Of his hand and live to play another snap.
now Jones throwing on second down.
Run him
That'll be
over.
caught by the running.
In this case, it's a simple check down, picks up a good gain, brings up third down.
Oh, I thought I heard something else, yo. I was about to say, what's going on?
They'll motion their tight end Johnson.
What was that?
Jones going to try and throw on third down. Open man, left side. He's got it.
Getting in and out of the break, and while that's really important to create separation, that's really more of a man beater. That's when teams want to just play you one-on-one and you have to beat the defender. Against zone defense like we saw here, it's a lot more simpler. Understand the concept of the play, understand where the holes in the defense are, and get there and be friendly to the quarterback. And if you're open,
That was a
stay
terrible
open
spin.
to both run and pass.
Here's a 2nd and 3 forthcoming. Again, it's Jones. He'll let it fly. Deep ball. First.
And sometimes he's highly accurate and efficient, but at others, he just misses too many easy throws. Question is, are they going to be able to overcome this quarterback inconsistency and pull this game out?
Again, they'll throw with Jones. First down. Fields.
Give me that. Come
Now
on.
a screen set up for half.
Going on, nobody was thinking pass, nobody was getting back into their drops, and just nowhere for that back to go.
Now a 2nd down throw for Fields.
Bro, where was my...
A throw left side.
I literally had a
taken in
purple to like
by
the literally...
Wilson.
But even on underneath throws, he is very good with the ball in his hands after the catch.
Right back to Wilson. He's got it again. And they will bring him down on the other side of midfield. On 1st and 10, Fields.
Come here, come here.
He keeps it
I
himself.
don't need a fumble, bro.
Well, we lead them to just a short gain.
Working out of the gun, it's Fields.
Give me that.
There's a short one caught by Fryermuth. And they'll take.
But do it after the catch.
Give up the middle to Harris. And they will take him down.
Rush yards, it's because they use the passing game to score points and establish the lead. Now, how we judge their run game
There we
is
go, come
from
on.
here to the end of
The loss of 3. It is 2nd and 13. Here's Fields. Inside the 10, it is caught.
and off balance. And now,
What is
this
this
defense is going to have to
foolishness?
figure out how to keep this offense out of the end zone because it's 1st and goal.
And
And he's able to get through that hole and take the ball carrier down for a loss.
11. Another shot at it from the 9. 2nd down and goal. They bring the tight end in motion. They run with Warren. Big play coming up. 3rd and goal. Now, Fields. He pulls it in around the
Throw
5.
that. He didn't even
To the
care.
end zone.
He didn't even care. He just, I'm just going to throw it anyways.
Come to the line for 1st down and 10. Shotgun now for Jones. This throw left side taken in by Johnson. And
Protecting a late lead, and the age-old question is, do you remain aggressive? Do you try to just keep the ball from being thrown over your head and make everything be tackled and played in front of you?
here's 2nd and 6. From the gun, it's Jones. And he'll let it go deep for Johnson.
You going, oh, bro.
And, well, a chance to get right back in it here. 1st down and goal. Jones to the air again. That is caught. And he
Come on, bro. We're going
will
to continue to fight,
score.
bro. Come on, bro. One more stop, bro. One more stop and one more score. We got this. One more stop and one more score. We got this, bro.
Fields now to throw on 1st down.
There we go. Come on.
On this down in football to attempt to pass, but if they don't protect the passer, none of it's going to matter.
Fields now on 2nd down. He'll let this go for Pickens.
Thank you. Oh, my
And that's
goodness, this
gonna be
dude's trash.
incomplete. Fields to throw. He's going to try it here. Picked off by
Come on,
Isaiah
bro. Come on.
1st and 10 now from the 36. They'll run. The hole close 2nd and 7. Working from the gun, it's Jones. Throw left side.
You are judged by how you play in these critical moments. In 4th quarter, down a score, it doesn't get much bigger than this.
Jones now on 1st down.
I mean, this pass rush has had the advantage over the offense pretty much from the jump, and they've already recorded a couple of sacks, a handful of close calls, and it's the pressure in the backfield is why this team finds themselves with the lead here late in this ballgame.
They'll be
Out of harm's way, live to play another down.
Throwing is Jones on third down. He'll let this
No,
go.
that was open.
Graham Gano, the veteran, in another pressure spot. This to tie things up here in the fourth.
All right.
For first and 10. Here we go. From the shotgun, it's
Thank you. Come on.
picked off by Bobby O'Connor.
Hard as it is to do, they need to get calmed down. They need to reset because their offense cannot operate at a high level if they don't have confidence in this passing game. Job up front. There's really nowhere for this ball carrier to go. You never want to lose yards on first down, but that's exactly the case here.
To throw, it's Jones.
I literally had it. I literally had it, bro. I literally had the touchdown.
Trust your guy to make a play in tight coverage. We see quarterbacks do that all the time, but I think if he was a little bit more patient in his progression, there was an easier throw out there that wouldn't make him have to throw such a tight window ball and put his receiver in a tight spot.
No.
This is intercepted.
No.
Picked off by Mika Fitzpatrick.
Bro, what was he? I guess,
And
I
he's
mean,
gonna bring this one back.
that zone plays so much better than
Six for touchdown.
that zone plays so much better than I don't know, man. I don't even know what I saw, to be honest with you.
Deep first and 10. Throwing, Jones. Pass pulled in by Tracy. So here's second down. They'll drop to throw. He'll
No,
look deep
what was that
here
pass
for
lead?
Neighbors. And he's
That was not a terrible read. I pass led that to the far left. And he just, I don't even know what to say, to be honest with you.
Jones now on first down.
God,
Now on second and long. Now Jones.
Well, that scramble is...
Owls waving. Steeler fans on their feet. It's third down. Here's Jones. And it's a touchdown. This is first and 10. Fields.
oh my goodness, bro, that would have been insane if you made that play.
to end that play before it started.
They'll come up now for second down.
Oh no.
To throw is Fields. And that's... Fields now. He'll try and get there.
There we go.
on the
He
ground.
can't fumble after that?
And that's a
Okay.
great job defensively here on third down. Not
Why
only
did he call a
taking away
timeout
all
after
the
that?
options down the field through the air, But when the quarterback decides to turn into a runner himself, they're able to converge and make the play and keep him short of the first down.
Possibly the play of the game right here. It is 4th down. Fields to throw for it. That is incomplete. They took a chance throwing it on 4th and short, but not to be, and they'll turn it over on downs.
There's no way that he literally just screwed the game over like that.
Graham Gano, the veteran.
Let's see.
This to win the game.
If he screwed the game over like that, this is about to be the most dramatic ending ever, son.
So, a big one coming for their veteran kicker. This one he's gotta have. That's long enough, and it's good! On target from long range. So a road win here for the Giants. They get themselves into field goal range for one final shot. Kicker delivers. They avoid overtime and come away with a 3-point victory.
How did he mess that up, bro?
And
How did he mess that up? He could have just punted the ball away, could have lived to fight another day in overtime. He literally could have just fought another day in overtime. But he wanted to go for it after everything that was going against me, bro. The things he got away with, the bad reads I made, and he still lost. Well, y'all gotta leave a like and a comment for that, y'all. That was literally game of the year so far in this franchise, bro. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all keep God first over anyone and anything, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. Peace.